Experience the perfect interplay of the SIMATIC S7-1200 with a new task-oriented engineering framework, modular controllers, and the integrated WinCC BASIC for the configuration of SIMATIC panels. The podcast demonstrates how easy it is to program. With the provided actions, the portal view offers you direct and fast access to the actual programming. First of all, create a new project with the corresponding path and name. The portal will subsequently offer you a selection window with several alternatives for the next step. With the Create Program action, Step 7 BASIC automatically creates a specified CPU that you can configure later on. By double-clicking on the automatically created main organization block, you will now get directly to the program editor in the project view. With the help of the provided operations in the task card, you can compile your functions in a few steps. Now add the necessary operands, and your first network is ready. The task-oriented separation into individual portals and actions helps the user to find quick and direct access to programming. After completing the configuration of the devices and networks, you can load and test your created program in the controller. Additional information is provided on our website.